In previous video, we learned about the concept of high watermark. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate performance fees in case of high watermark. In this example, we have taken our initial investment as 100 million, management fees as 2%, performance fees as 20%, and in year 1 we have a fund gain of 15%, year 2 we have a loss of 10%, and in year 3 we have a fund gain of 20%. For year 0, that is our initial investment period, our fund value before fees will be same to our fund value after fees. Therefore, it became a high water mark by default. We will be calculating fund value before fees for year 1, which is fund value after fees for year 0 into 1 plus gains in year 1, which gives us 115 million. Now we will calculate management fees, that is 100 million into 2%, which gives us 2 million. Calculating net gain here, which is 115 minus 100 million minus management fees, which gives us 13 million. Now calculating performance fees on this net gain, which is 13 million into 20%, which gives us out 2.6 million. Now we will calculate fund value after giving all the fees, that is 115 million minus 2 million minus 2.6 million, which gives us 110.4 million. Since this value is greater than 100 million, it becomes our new high water mark. Now, calculating fund value before fees for year 2. In this year, we have a loss of 10%. Therefore, our fund value before fees will get reduced to 99.36 million. Calculating management fees, which is 110.4 million into 2%. Since this value is smaller than this value, there would be no net gain and there would be no performance fees. Therefore, our fund value after fees becomes 99.36 million minus 2.21 million. Our high water mark will remain same as in the previous year, which is 110.40 million. Calculating for year 3, therefore 97.15 into 1 plus 20%, which gives us 116.58 million. Calculating management fees, which gives us 1.94. Now we will calculate net gain. For this, we will subtract 110.4 from 116.58 million. Here we are not subtracting 97.15 because we will be paying performance fees to the LP on the new profits generated. That's why we are subtracting the previous high water mark from our year 3 investment value. Subtracting management fees from it, and we get our net gain as 4.24 million. Now we will be calculating a performance fees on this, which gives us 0.85 million as our performance fees. Calculating fund value after fees, which gives us 113.79. Since this value is greater than this becomes our new high water mark. I hope this video helped you understand the concept of high water mark. Thank you and stay tuned for more.